try and take down a tree that's been bothering us for a while. We're going to get you guys the exclusive hookup from all angles. We have the secret back way in that not very many people know about, except for you guys now. So now I guess guys, am I right? All we gotta do is grab the popcorn.
I'm moving out of it. Come through there with the speed, I'm dead.
Yeah, I park over here. Close there, close.
Dang, dude, this is gonna be sick.
It's gonna be crazy. Use a chainsaw, but we're using a loader. Somewhere back.
Yeah, she's like everything okay. She's gonna be dead for it. Or else I'm not here. Texting me.
Why you go?
Alright, this is gonna be kinda sick.
Or deadly, one of the two.
How are you gonna die?
Well, I don't know. It's gonna be. It could be really expensive if the machinery breaks. That's not gonna go the way he thinks. I feel like it's gonna hit my four-wheeler.
Oh my gosh.
The whole tree's gonna go. What he should do is she should grab it, pull it down, and then go through.
It won't go up that high.
Oh, it will go up that high.
Not that high. Oh, it's like so
Now he's doing it. I don't know. I think he wants to make clear the path over.
Oh. So we had to make another entrance.
You guys, let's go over to the other angle. I want to see this from a different angle.
Yeah, you go get it.
Nobody's gonna come with me?
Oh my gosh.
That whole tree is just gonna go.
I run over there and grab my phone, but
Oh gosh.
I try and get him.
Oh crap, we're stuck in here now if he doesn't clear that.
Yeah, it's pushing.
He
into the
covered our
path.
entrance. Yeah.
Oh, he's-
I think we can do it.
I guess we could always go out over there on that.
Yeah, you can probably get out all the way.
Oh my gosh, he's coming at that really fast. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. And that's the power of a loader.
Nice day.
That'll do it for tree trimming.
That worked.
Better than expected.
Yeah, no kidding.
This is why diesels exist.
Yeah.
The ones at Layers Farms are like twice the size of that.
I know, they're ridiculous.
Huge.